Okay, so let's continue with our next video in our coding exercise series. So in this video, we will see the problem on the HackerRank, which is ACM ICPC team, and it is the easy category question. So let's read the question. There are a number of people who will be attending some game, ACM ICPC World Finals, right? So there are a number of people. Each of them may be well versed in number of topics. So some people are coming in some competition, right? And some they are like versed in like perfect in number of topics. Given a list of topics known by each attendee, so because let's suppose 10 people are coming, so first people may be perfect in Hindi, chemistry and mathematics, maybe second people perfect in Hindi, English, mathematics, third people may be perfect in Hindi, computer science, something like that, presented as a binary string. Determine the maximum number of topics a two-person team can know. So we need to create a team of a two-person, and we need to find a maximum topics. If we create a team of two, uh, how many topics that team know. Okay, so each subject has a column in the binary string. One means the subject is known, zero means the subject is not known. So as an example, so let's go through the question example. So let's suppose four people come, one, two, three, four. Four people come, right? And each person is versed in something, right? So the first person, and we have the total five topics. Five topic means like five subjects. Maybe one is computer science, one is chemical engineering, mathematics, right? Something like that. So wherever one donate means it is this person number one is versed in this whatever uh, like how many topics, one, two, three, and second person is versed in three topics, third person versed in three topics, fourth person is versed in two topics. So there are total five topics, and we have the information which person knows which topics. So if you make the index one, two, three, four, five, so first person only versed in first topic, third topic, and fifth topic. Second person versed in first, second, and third topic. Third person versed in first, second, and fourth topic. Fourth person versed in third and fifth topic. Okay. Now you need to create a team of two. So how you are going to create a, team of two? So all right. So to create a team of two, what you can do? So you can start with one, two, 1, 3. All right, 1, 4. So these are the two combination: 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then 2, 3, 2, 4. These are another combination: 2, 3, 2, 4. Then 3, 4. Right. So these are all the possible combination. Right. Okay. So now, if you are going to create a team of 1 and 2, all right. So let's suppose you pick 1 and 2. So you pick these two, 1 and 2. So if you combine these two, uh, then these two team versed in how many topics? So one is common in both. Okay. Uh, then the second topic, only the second people know, but overall they know. Third, they know. Fourth, they don't know. Both don't know. Fifth, at least one knows. So total fourth topic. So total four topic. If we create a pair of these two team, 1 and 2, then total four topic they know. If we create a pair of 1 and 3, so if you create a pair of, let me do that. If you create a pair of 1 and 3, all right, then so subject one or topic one known by both, topic 2 at least known by anyone, topic 3 at least known by any one of them, fourth at least known by any one of them, fifth at least known by any one of them. All right. So if you create a team of 1 and 3, then total topic they known is 5. Similarly, if you create a team of 1 and 4, total topic count is 3. 2 and 3, 4. 2 and 4, 4. And like 3 and 4, 5 to 5 count, right? So you can calculate in this way. Now, what we need to return? We need to return So let's go through the question. Determine the number of teams that know the maximum number of topics. So maximum number of topics, this and this, right? So how many teams? One team and two teams. So would you need to return what you are going to return? 5 comma 2. 5 means um, so if you see the return format, the return is an array. An array is the maximum topic. So what is the maximum topic? 5. And the number of teams. So how many number of teams? 1 and 2. So the answer will be 5 comma 2. All right. So let's try to write the uh, code. So in the code, because you need to create a pair, all right, so you are going to run a loop two times, like because starting with one, then 1 2 1 3 1 4, then 2 3 2 4, like that, right? So first you need to run a for loop. Let's go through that. So for I in range of n, for j in range of I plus 1 comma n, because when you pick one second. So when you pick one, so I is one, the j should be start from the next element, because you can't create a team of one and one. The in a team there should be two different persons, so one and two or one and three or one and four. So the next loop should be start from the I plus one. All right. Okay. So this is done. Okay. What we need to find out? We need to find out max topics. Let's initialize 0 and topics count. Let's also initialize 0 and we need to return at the end, which is fine. Now you have you like when you created a loop for I in range of n, for j in range of n. So first combination will be 1 comma 2. For 1 comma 2, what you need to find out? You need to find out the topic known. If you create a team of 1 and 2, how many topic this team known? So let's know topics known is equal to 0, because we need to find out. Now how you are going to find the topic, because you are creating a team of 1 and 2, how you are going to find? These are the string, right? Either you convert into a binary and take a uh, or operation, right? Or either you can go string by string. So in our case we will go string by string for x comma y in zip of. So this is a topic array, right? Topic of, because you are creating a team of 1 and 2, right? So you need to get the topic of 1 and topic of 2, right? Topic of I comma topic of j, right? Okay. So now zip means it is going to give you 1 and 1, then like all the elements in a sequence. Okay. Now what I need to check, if x is equal to 1, because this is string, or y is equal to 1, if any of the player know any of the topic, so I am going to increment the count. All right. So this will be done. All right. So when we run this loop 1 and 2, after all the combination like 1 and 1, okay, count 1, 0 and 1, at least 1 there will be 1, count 2, 1 and 1, count 3, nothing is 1, still count 3, at least 1 1, so count 4, so total 4 count, right? So now total 4 count. All right. So now we will check if topic known is greater than max topics, then you are going to assign that max topics is equal to topics known. All right. And you can in uh, topics count, not the topics count, it's a team count. Team count. So team count will be 1. All right, because there is a one team. All right. Okay. Now you will go with the next option, 1 and 3. So you found the 5. Okay, if you found the fine, so topic known is 5, max topic is 4 because it has the previous element. So 5 is greater than 4. So now the max is 5. All right. Because at the end you need to return, because at the end you are going to run the maximum number of topics. So you need one element, right? Just forget the count, how many teams for the time being. All right. At least you need to return this 5. So now the max topic is 5. And because this is a new team and you are not going to consider the previous team, so still the team count is 1. All right. Now the another one, 1 and 4 is 3, so it is not even going to loop. It's 4, it's not even going to this loop if condition. It's 4, it's not going to given in this condition. It's 5, so it's 5. It's not going to in this condition because topic known is 5. 5 is not greater than 5. It's equal to that 5, right? So what you are going to do, I'll leave topics known is equal to max topics. So if it is equal to that, all right, then the topics max topics will be still 5, but you are going to increase the number of team. All right, so team count will be plus equal to 1 because you found the another team which know the same number of topics, right? So at the end, you are going to return max topics and team count. All right, let's try to run that if there is any issue. So sample test case has been passed. Let's try to submit the code. So all the test cases has been passed. So it's a simple question. It's not a very complicated question. It's an easy category question. Before writing the code, always try to figure it out by pen and paper, like we did. Like how you are going to solve this question, like because you need to create a team of 2. Okay, how you are going to create a team of 2? You need to run a loop, right? So same thing we did. Okay, to create a team of 2 you need to run a loop. Now for every team you need to find the topics known. Okay, for every team we are going to find the topics known. Then because you need to find the maximum, so you have to store in some variable, and you need to update that variable after checking with the previous maximum. We are doing that. But also we need to return the number of count, right? The team count. So the team count is 2 here, which has the maximum topic like 5 and 5. So we also did that. So that's it. That's the end of the video, and thank you.